Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter frosting. To begin, ensure your unsalted butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth base. You'll also need creamy peanut butter, powdered sugar, and a little milk or cream to achieve the perfect consistency. Don't forget a touch of vanilla extract to really bring out those delicious flavors. Having all your ingredients measured and ready makes the process much smoother. Now, let's start creaming. In a large mixing bowl, beat your softened, unsalted butter on medium speed until it's light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the creamy peanut butter to the bowl. Continue beating these two ingredients together until they are completely smooth and well combined. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of your bowl, often to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. It's time to add the sweetness. Gradually incorporate the powdered sugar, about 1 cup at a time, mixing on low speed after each addition to avoid a sugary mess. As the mixture thickens, alternate adding the powdered sugar with small amounts of milk or cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. To achieve the perfect consistency, if your frosting is too thick, add a little more milk or cream, 1 teaspoon at a time. If it's too thin, gradually mix in more powdered sugar until it reaches your desired texture. Once you're happy with the consistency, beat the frosting on medium-high speed for about 2 minutes to make it extra light and fluffy. This frosting is now ready to spread on your favorite treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.